We at MiniLand are very proud to bring you our new column line. Welcome to MiniLand.ca, your home for handcrafted miniatures. Our columns come round and square, half round and half square, giving you the option to install them right up against the wall. To install the half square column, simply glue it to the wall. If you have a low ceiling and the full column is too tall, just cut the bottom of the column and fit it back into its base. You don't have to be too careful or try to cut it exactly, because no one will see it once it's placed back in the base. But if you do need to cut it, always cut it 1/8 or 1/4 inch shorter than the ceiling height, and then just add pennies to the bottom of the base, one at a time, to bring it back up to size. Also, if your column is not tall enough to reach your preferred ceiling height, you can put a small piece of wood inside the base, bringing it back to the size you need. It's that simple. We make our columns telescopic, so they're able to hang from any ceiling height between 4 and 10 inches. The columns come in 3 different finishes: walnut with gold impression, white with gold impression, and unfinished. You can buy any column from our new column line as individual pieces, however many you want. So why not order some today and let our columns be the perfect addition to your miniature collections. They are designed by us and sold exclusively by us here at MiniLand.ca.